We're the Manchester Digital Laboratory. There's a core group of us who are setting up a space in Manchester. One of the things that's culturally very interesting at the moment is there's a lot of movement towards self-organising groups, people that are brought together through participation and engagement and wanting to do things. One of the things we found in Manchester specifically is there's no space for that to happen. So we're seeing a lot of user groups meeting in pubs, but then you have a few drinks, nothing comes out of it until the next meeting happens. What we're trying to do is set up a space where things can carry on without the drink involved. People can sit down and actually make stuff, sit down, code, build, solder, knit, sew, stitch, draw. Basically, produce culture and produce technology on their own terms without worrying about a bar tab or maintaining the rent or just providing the infrastructure they need to get things together. So what we've done is we've set up a space that's called the Manchester Digital Laboratory, the Madlab. There's the Fab Lab is starting up as well in Manchester, which is it's a project that came out of MIT, but they're setting up a kind of a self-replicating factory. What we're doing is slightly different. We're very grounded in what people want to do. There's no agenda in place beyond being a space that stuff can take place in. So we're trying to bring together people from arts, people from technology, people from journalism and writing, crazy people that are doing wild cookery, they're building new types of ovens, the robots guys. We're going to get all these guys together in a space and see what new stuff can come out of it. Make meetings, engineer happen chance in a lot of ways. So our first big project's coming up on the 24th of October, which is a Saturday morning. It's going to be a robot hack lab. So the idea is people come down, they bring their old toys, bust up bits of electronics, and everyone sits down, works together and builds new kinds of robots out of bust up toys that would otherwise be in a skip or in the bin, sat in the shed, in the loft. And try and create some new stuff and empower people to really understand the equipment they've got isn't a self-contained toy, but it's a series of parts that can be reused.